Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss how you can create multiple account on Twitter or X. If you already have an existing X account and want to create another one, let's start the video and go through the process step by step. I have opened X on my mobile screen here. Tap on the profile icon showing in the top left corner. After that, tap on the three dot option displayed here. As soon as you tap, the option to create a new account appears. Tap on it. Here, the screen for need another account is showing with two options. Continue with Google and create account. I choose continue with Google. Here it shows the email you want to use for creating the account. Select the desired email. After that, the option for entering your date of birth appears. Enter your date of birth and tap next. On the next screen, tap next without making any changes. Here the username is displayed and have fetched the mail ID as the username. You can change it later if needed. I'll make a video for this in next video on how you can change your username in X. Then tap on next. After that the continue option appears. Tap on it. The option allow X to access your phone will come up. Allow it. Then the language option is display. Choose the language in which you want to access X content. After selecting, tap on next. Following that, the screen for follow one or more account is shown. Follow at least one account and then tap on next. With this, your X account is now ready. This way you can create multiple account on X. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notification for the next video. This way you will stay updated on upcoming content.